Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm going to plan for the 21st to the 27th of February in my mini happy planner today. I haven't got anything planned out right now, so I'm just going to go with the flow. I have got a busy week this week, so I'm going to try and be extremely productive and use a lot of the planning productivity stickers. I've got the basic planner basics here, mini, and I've also got the productivity. I've got the Boss Babe as well, and also the Brights. I did have quite a busy week last week, so as you can see, I have had a busy week. I've made my notes here to add into my planner once I've decorated it. I'm going to start with the Brights and see what Brights has here for me. And what I'm noticing is that I'm coming up with a lot of teal. I've just been attracted to a lot of teal. I don't know why. It's sort of like duck egg. But that keeps on jumping out at me, and I do like the colour anyway. To use the pinks as well. I've got two. This. All right, that's that. I have put down 3 tasks, or 6, one in a bigger box, and I've got some emails to do. I've got a deadline to do as well by Thursday, so I'll put it on Wednesday just so I know it's got to be done. Got some more emails to catch up with, and got to make some notes. I've got to be extremely productive to Friday, because Saturday I think I've got to concentrate on the puppy, so I won't have much time. I've been trying to groom him slowly myself because his hair grows so quickly, and he only had a groom December at the groomers, and at £50 a pop I just can't afford it, so I'm really learning to trim him and take more care of his hair myself. Okay, so and then Sunday it's really me time, and then all my notes here I've got to write down what I've got for that following week, because I always make notes of what I've got to do the following week right here all the time, because if I don't, I will forget and everything will just go haywire. So if you did like this plan with me, this week's plan with me, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. I really enjoyed planning this week, and it's going to be a busy one as well. So take care of your good selves, and I will see you back really soon. Bye for now.